How to deposit check in Chase mobile app. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Chase and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in here, tap on this icon Pay and Transfer at the bottom. Tap on Deposit Checks. Select the account where you want your deposit to go. It will land you on this interface. Now in this page, what you want to do is first of all enter the deposit amount and then click the front side and the back side of the check that you have. The picture that you are going to take must be clear enough. Well, once it is done, again you need to make sure that your deposit amount is correct and that your photos are uploaded. Now tap on Next at the bottom. There you go, the check has been deposited successfully. So generally, funds deposited before 11 PM are available the next business day. They will send you the email with updates on funds availability. So that's it, and this is simply how you can deposit check on Chase mobile app. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.